Hi there, this is Jordan with Sunset Cars of Auburn, and I'm standing next to our 2008 Chevrolet HHR LT, stock number 97448. If you type that number in on our website, sunsetcars.com, you're going to get to see all the features that this car has. I really like the look of this car. It's very clean. It has a very light silvery paint color, really nice and clean. Chrome accents throughout for an extra little snap of color. 4 doors, running boards alongside here too, make it easy to get in. And a matching interior with the same light silvery cloth seats. This has gotten a few awards, including lowest maintenance cost, lowest true cost to own, best vehicles by class, and vehicle satisfaction awards. And it also has 4- and 5-star crash test ratings, so you know that you and your family are going to be safe on the road. Nice, comfortable, plush front seats with leather steering wheels trim. It also has nice technological features, including a radio data system with an auxiliary input jack where you can plug your phone into it, OnStar satellite communications, and a CD player as well. You should take a look at this car at Sunset Cars of Auburn or sunsetcars.com, and make sure when you come in you tell them that Jordan sent you.